Ka tnat ka koit ka khiah jong ka sarkar jalla harangkat ka ali yavar jong National Institute of Hearing and Speech Disability Regional Center Noida mentak singi kelas sam kitia berpeni osngau syaki spangut kibriu kibuduna ha ka bori osngau habakren kumukong san ha ka tei gejelang Myntri ka koit ka khiah uba el hek uloong babaro ki projek ki sahteng deben pendap no aswa baka jalla kan kenjo syakasan posnem ulaban juru yaki ofisa ka tnat ka koit khiah ban sim khiah ban pendap no yaki tei projek sahteng
to remain to all of us. Today, we have many tasks ahead. The important is next year we are going to celebrate the Golden Jubilee celebration of our statehood. We have so many responsibility in our life. There's so many responsibility ahead that we have to be accomplished. I remain to all our, right from the health, the DHSMI, the Principal Secretary of the Health Department, the Commissioner Secretary, the MD of the National Health Missions, all the three directorates, all the director of all the three directorates, all the medical superintendents, the DMNHO, all the staff of the Health Department. You are the players in the field. We have so many ongoing schemes. I just want to remind you, we need to complete all the scheme to celebrate the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Meghalaya statehood. Number one is just next to us is the cancer wing of the Shillong Civil Hospital. I've been talking so many times, again and again. I like one of you only become deaf to hear more again and again about completions of the cancer wing of Shillong Civil Hospital. This is the responsibility to all of you. We want to make it happen, and we want to start celebrating one after another. All the pending project, the ongoing project which may be visible and also possible to complete the project within this 1 year time to celebrate our Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya. Number two is the state-of-art diagnostic center. Number three is 100-bedded hospital of Mogurwan. The MCH hospital of Jawa and Nongstoin. The nursing school of all which have completed long back. One by one, we have to take up and we have to schedule the date in celebrations of our Golden Jubilee celebrations. That has to be kept in your mind and have to be targeted that we should be complete all those ongoing projects to celebrate our own statehood on the 50th year.
Hakaju opor ubah hek ulong bak sarkar jalla kadon yak jingtmu ban yada bat telakam yak jingpang haki bori osngau.
As we all know, hearing loss has a significant effect in the quality of life due to impaired hearing. There will be a difficulty in communicating with others, and this could result in fewer educational and job opportunities, social withdrawal, and even emotional problems such as drop of self-esteem and confidence in those affected. In this regard, I am proud to inform all present here that the government of Meghalaya is committed to help prevent and control deafness in the states. Meghalaya is not only a model state in the Northeast, but also a pioneer in implementation of many plans and programs in the field of disability and rehabilitations in the country. In this great pleasure to inform you that the implementation of unique disability ID card project Meghalaya stand overall the 6th position in the country. This project helped to avail the different scheme and benefits provided by the government through its various ministries and their departments. 2 districts of the states, that East Kasils and West Kasils district, have been chosen to implement the pilot national program for prevention of control deafness of the Government of India. The long-term objective of this program is to prevent and control major causes of hearing impairment and deafness.